Have you ever been playing a game with your friends? Maybe pickleball, volleyball, badminton, and a shot lands right on the line, and suddenly everything stops. One person's saying it was in, somebody else is saying no, it wasn't. Now you're arguing instead of playing. In casual sports, there's no referee to make the final call. And close plays turn into debates, and those debates slow down the game and ruin the experience. Instead of focusing on the game, you're stuck trying to agree on what just happened. That's where Fair Play comes in. FairPlay is an AI-powered referee that runs directly on your phone. You set it up courtside with a tripod, point the camera at the game, and it makes real-time, unbiased calls automatically. No arguments, no delays, just the game. On a high level, FairPlay just takes in live video from your phone, processes it in real time using computer vision, and then each frame gets streamed to our Fast API backend, where we analyze what's happening and send decisions back instantly. And for how this works, step one is court detection. We first use edge detection and line detection techniques to identify the court lines. Then construct something called a boundary polygon. We have some examples up here I found online. And then this gives us a precise digital outline of the playing area, so the system knows exactly what counts as in versus as out. Next, we track the ball. We convert each frame into HSV color spaces, depending on which ball it is, and apply filtering tuned to the ball's color. After cleaning up noise, we detect contours and validate them based on size and shape. We also incorporate motion prediction, so even if the ball is briefly blocked or missed, the system can still estimate where the ball should be. Next is bounce detection. Once we know where the ball is, we can analyze how it moves. By tracking its position over time, we detect changes in vertical motion. When the ball switches from moving downward to upward, we identify that moment as a bounce. And then finally, for making the call, after detecting a bounce, we determine whether the ball was in or out. Using OpenCV and those lines from before, we compare the ball's position to the court boundary using geometric testing. We also account for the ball's radius, so even if the center is slightly outside, it can still be ruled as in, just like a real ref would decide. And if the rally ends, the system determines who gets the point and updates the score. Okay, now for what y'all have all been waiting for, it's demo time. Here you can see our user experience. Here you can select from pickleball, volleyball, and badminton, and we hope to add more sports later. Here you can pick a team, and you have team 1 and team 2. Here
Game over. It is a tie.
When it ends, it will say end game. It will say game over. That's the voice right there. And then there's also a history page. We can go through all the past games that you have. And then for the actual demo, we went to the main rec, found some people playing badminton, got them to help us record, and even though we do get some AI hallucinations every now and then, we were actually able to get some really good examples. They were badminton, and then also with volleyball, with our system detecting it falling on the floor and giving the point to the right person. And finally, for some challenges we faced, we had some pretty low FPS just because of the way we were recording on Expo. And then also, it was kind of hard if we had different lighting situations versus like in the main rec, or if you're playing outside and it's dark. And both of these would kind of limit our accuracy and being able to detect actual bounces on the ground. And for what's next, we plan on trying to improve our accuracy using Expo, and then also try and bring in a pre-trained ML model to improve accuracy and ball detection, and just get a better experience overall. Finally, at the end of the day, fair play is about one thing: keeping the game fair without slowing it down, with no referees and no arguments, and just letting y'all play. So if y'all want to check out our code, it's all in our GitHub and our dev post. And finally, thanks for watching.